What is better than a ceramic coating? Ceramic coatings are fantastic at protecting your car's paint. They offer a shiny finish, they repel water, they prevent oxidation, and other environmental impacts. But they're not bulletproof. An upgrade to a ceramic coating would be this. This is paint protection film. Paint protection film is a clear liner back film that adheres permanently to your painted surface. Unlike ceramic coatings, which are liquid applied, paint protection film is a thicker, more durable, and more robust protection that is stretched over the surface and once applied, actually prevents things like rock chips, scratches, and other impacts. In a side-by-side comparison, PPF typically outperforms ceramic coatings in terms of impact and scratch resistance. Plus, minor scratches can actually self-heal with just a little bit of heat. In the end, it all comes down to your priorities and your budget. Which one would you choose? I'm Adam with Ceramic Pro. If you have any questions about this topic or any other, just drop them down below.